Well, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to claim your reward points on your Xbox Series X, and you can use these to purchase games or something like that. And you get these various different ways, maybe by like buying games and stuff. But we can go on over to our profile right here and then select it. Then we want to go on down to where it says My Rewards, and I have nearly 6,000 reward points. So let's select this. Then right at the top it says Claim Points. So just come to this section every once in a while, and you should be able to claim the points, and then it will show you your new balance. And it says use the Xbox app for mobile. I guess that gave me like 5 points doing that, so I should back out. And I have 0 points to claim right now, but you can see it went up. I nearly have 6,000 still. But weekly console bonus, play 5 days this week, and boost your total. So you can basically just get points by playing continually on your Xbox. So then you can go ahead and start exploring the reward category right here and see what you want to go and buy. You could get a $5 gift card for 5,000 points. Ultimate is at 14,000, so I'm almost there. Maybe I'll have to go ahead and get that at some point since I don't have a credit card attached to this. But just look through here and see if there's anything you want. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.